I think you're all going to be really proud. Like, you know, we structured an agreement and with Time Studios and the Littles and with Will, and the work that you've done, I think is going to make everyone so proud. And you could just see, you could see Will's heart in everything that he touches. And I think that's, to me, you know, like,
what are we here for?
We are here for an interview to rep the Littles on TV.
Yeah.
Funny, we're actually rehearsing the park.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, because we're like, oh my god, what are we gonna do? This is actually nerve-wracking, but at the same time, very exciting.
Big things.
Big things, big things.
Thank you.
Yes.
So close to our heart with our daughter being such a core central piece to it.
And for us, that hub is the Littles.
Value based, and that's why. I don't even know what I said. Yeah.
It's like, oh, it. Community.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, okay, whatever. You know what? Let's just throw a community in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, how do you feel?
I feel like it was good. I mean, I just feel like there's definitely things that we could have. I wanted to say more.
But that was really cool. Our first interview together.
Yeah.
On live TV.
Yeah.
Like that is pretty surreal. Yeah, I think it's so cool how in the span of just 6 months we're able to create so much content and storyline that goes behind what we do. Just like layering on top of each other, from animation to gaming to merch to activations.
Yeah.
In a matter of 6 months, and that is insane in terms of like our as a startup wise, right? Like being able to crank out so much, and also the traction that we're able to get. On to the next. High five.
So where to next?
That's why I'm so happy that you guys are all here, because we believe in the same thing. We all have shared values, and that's how we want to be able to lead this project. Not just through degenning and whatnot, although that's what got us into NFTs. So really appreciate you guys being here, believing, supporting. And since then, like, we've been so blessed with partnership with Time, bringing us into their family. Big shout out to E, Maria, being able to feature our daughter, Jordy, and the Littles. Incredible. Super surreal. Been here from Singapore. Dale, believe it or not, is the one that brought Littles to life. Literally, this entire play size, he extracted from our vision, super muddy, super unclear, to create something so fun, exciting. Thank you so much, Dale. Just want to give individual shout outs to, we introduced you to Dale, Juju Bean. Hands up for Juju Bean. Juju Bean is our table that uplifts all the design, UX, generative art. Let's go, Juju. We have Veecon, Henry. They speak for our community. Like, they embody the values that we have so much, and even beyond. And it's something that we're incredibly grateful for, truly, because I think all our community can attest to how great you guys are, always being there. So thank you so much. Oh my goodness, Mr. Keith Grossman. Oh my goodness. Is this the Littles fam? Littles fam and everything and everyone. Thank you so much.
You know, you've done the best job. I just think the world of Will as a human being, you know, as a leader, I think we can all agree Will is amazing, right? Like, and I wish I think you're all gonna be really proud. Like, you know, we structured an agreement, and with Time Studios and the Littles, and with Will, and the work that you've done, I think is gonna make everyone so proud. And you could just see, you could see Will's heart in everything that he touches. And I think that's, to me, you know, like, we have an event going on a few blocks away, but I had to swing by because I just love this guy so much. And I think this is a really special community. So I'm sorry to interrupt you.
You hijacked my speech, Keith.
I'm sorry, because like I saw you there and I'm like, I can't not see you and hug you.
I get emotional because ooh, I never had this happen to me before. We minted on November 25th, 2021. And we gave birth. No, she gave birth. December 5th to our second son, Weston. And we were still in the labor room, and literally she was just, oh, we gotta do Twitter, we gotta do this. And literally right after. And the passion that she has for this community is incredible. All the meetings that we have, the merch, guys, the merch. Oh, Cassandra. No expense with the experience that we want to provide you guys, to show up for you guys every single day. She would be on the call after putting our kids to sleep from 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. or a.m. coordinating. Every meeting she's on, she's taking care of our two kids. Veecon, Brian, like literally, I'm like, who is this annoying kid? Then I realize, oh my God, it's my son. It's crazy. I don't know how she does it, yet not only is she a co-founder, she's also doing such a fabulous job creating memories for our kids. I just want to say thank you. I've been in a position of such honor to be always in the limelight, but without the team, the talent, the support, partners, and everyone, we wouldn't be what it is today. So thank you so much, everyone, for being here and supporting. Future of the Littles. I've been saying this, Mario of Web3, what does that mean? Everything ties in together, the vision becomes more and more clear. We started with create, play, evolve. That's exactly what we're going to be doing with you guys, sharing with you guys how we're going to be able to create new experiences for you guys to play, have that youthful side pop back out, not be dull and jaded by crazy worlds out there, and to continue to evolve because there are no playbooks. We're going to make mistakes. It's okay, we evolve and we move on from there. That's the reason why this pixel bear is at the roots of what it is, but we evolved into doodle form, we evolved into TL bear, which you guys love. And that's what Mario means in Web3. Keith shared a speech yesterday. I was so inspired because he shared with us that the entire model of Web3 is flopped upside down. Now it's all about the community. And that's the reason why we're all here with our humble beginnings. The grassroots moments of how we're building. So thank you so much, you guys, for being here. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you.
We the Littles!
It's right across the street. Yeah, we didn't go in.
Yeah, the set, nice to meet you.
New modern parents where they take bits and pieces of their heritage and to make sure that we instill the values in them, but at the same time we continue to evolve. I feel like they all have their own little character to them. For example, we have Tiger Bear, who is incredibly impatient. just wants to go out there and thinks he knows all that, but super, super like rash. It's like, that's the angry, aggressive one, but super cute at the same time. And then we have Panda Bear, who is just always eating, always sleeping, always just like a blob. And I actually think that the television show itself adds so much value to the existing IP that we've created. Just to share a little bit more about the current work that we're doing, we're creating this metaverse of an arcade where we pull together other communities together into this hub where we can all create this shared experience. And the Littles World is that hub. A successful NFT collection guide. We are on a mission to become the Mario of Web3. Specifically, the reason why we chose to work with 4 different artists is because we want to be able to launch at speed. Backend dev. These guys are the ones that are going to be creating your smart contract, depending on your function, depending on the innovativeness. That ambitious to launch a project. DM me.
Yo, whatever. I really love your presentation.
Thank you.
I really love your
I'm not kidding you. You guys are truly like family. Like, truly. I'm so sad that, you know, Alice left. I feel so bad. Veecon, always out there with the shield, protecting us and our community. So much appreciation. You guys don't know Dale? Dale is the guy that brought, where's the Jojo Bear? Jojo Bear to life. He's the guy that brought the crazy visions that are up here to life, and even beyond that. She's the table. The long table? Actually, that's her identity. We've worked together for how long? 5-6 years. It was really big shoes that you had to fill in this role. Super big shoes. Like humongous. And you stepped up. The CK crew over there. Coco. These guys are instrumental in helping us launch our project, putting Limelight on us when we most needed it.
Like, for real, the Littles are part of the CK family. We're supposed to be here. It would feel weird if we weren't, so thank you for having us, man.
Okay, we're good. Where are we?
We are in the middle.
Times Square, New York.
Times Square, New York. I'm losing my voice already because it's just meetings, but we've made it in time for the billboard.
In time, haha.
So, what does this mean to you?
What does it mean? I do not know how to process this just yet. I think after looking at the pictures, I would feel a lot more emotional. But because there's so much things going on, this and that, and on top of that, Anyways, yeah. I don't know. How do you feel?
I mean, what other opportunity would we ever have to be on a billboard in New York?
A lot of opportunities, but it's very surreal. Like in the middle of the most busiest street in the world, our brand is right here. Incredible. And our merch is in there too, somewhere.
How long has this been in works?
Oh. months. Well, lots of real work put in. So, yeah.
Okay, what's next?
What's next?
One milestone.
What's next?
What's next?
Well, you'll know soon. We'll share with you in the other video because I just shared with you what was next.